Jayanto Bhattacharya, the recipient of the National Award by the prestigious Lalit Kala Academy and Polo Krasna Grant for the series Voice of Air, is an established name in the contemporary form of art. The sculptor's focus is modern life, and in this pursuit, he has been exploring different forms and languages, and particularly working with inflated form for last 2 decades. Innovation in thoughts and processes is what he constantly seeks for, and thus his concept of balloon-like form has given way to an improvisation where he fills the inflated form with liquid instead of air to give a fleshy sensation. His recent subject of art is flesh and bones, where his deft hands juxtapose in a very subtle way the tenderness of flesh and crudeness of bony structures to show how they can complement each other. For example, the gum, lips, breast, and sex organs are the fleshy parts, whereas teeth, skull, skeleton are the bony structures. White, sharp, strong teeth, when come out from the soft, fleshy gum, they look like swords. When the teeth are covered with fleshy lips, they reflect a smiling, peaceful look. But if we peel off the soft tissue, the cage-like bony structure appears with a violent form. Siren Song. Human beings' greed for corporeal substances drives them towards their own doom. This resembles the way fishermen, allured by the sweet song of siren, ultimately face death. Budding. Complex circumstances birthing a polluted, tormented life. Katla Katla. An indigenous species of fish having a large mouth which is perennially hankering for food. This is pertinent in the present political context. Babaji. Under the facade of saintliness runs a business of lust. Angry bird. Greed for the golden egg is inciting violence amongst people and states, creating warlike situations and hence disturbing the state of peace. The cruel comb and Snow White. In a vain attempt to overpower Snow White's beauty, evil forces had poisoned her comb. Such jealousy has gripped the entire society with its diabolical claws today. Jiggly Bites. Amidst these turbulent times, we are bedazzled by the outwardly glamour of our surroundings, which conceals their cruelty underneath. Tangled. When life becomes desolate and painful, stuck in a quagmire of difficulties and problems. Eclipse. A fatal virus has recently created a pandemic spanning the entire globe, eclipsed all joy and happiness, and hurled us into the throes of a dark future. Kiss of Death. In the present circumstances, we are haunted by a nightmare. The pandemic threatens to devour us in its fatal embrace. Best for your baby. Working mothers at present have little time to breastfeed, and they believe the advertised product is better for their children. Hence, they get accustomed to the feeding bottle, and relation between mother and child is decreasing. Online shopping. Because of the technologically advanced smartphones, we now have a wide variety of goods and services at our beck and call. With online shopping rampant, pornography and prostitution are also becoming increasingly accessible across the globe. Me Too. Survivors and protesters are raising their voice against sexual abuse. Floating life. Modern life floats on a foundation of enjoyment and luxurious living. Teen. Physical development of a girl in her teenage years resembles the beauty of a blooming flower. The pearls. A woman's beauty mirrors that of a precious pearl resting within its shell. Works of Jayanto Bhattacharya echo the perspective he holds on life, and as a result, we find a contrast between flesh and bone, white and pink, death and life, old and modern, hope and hopelessness, peace and violence, mass and void, to depict the present time which he belongs to.